Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to talk about what is email marketing and how does it work. Email marketing is a highly effective way of digital marketing strategy which helps people or businesses to build relationship with their potential customers. And it is the easiest and effective way of getting returning or repeat customers to any business. Well organized and proper marketing emails convert prospects into customers and turn one time buyers into loyal, raving fans of any business. There are some rules to consider an email as a marketing email. Alright, so let's just learn about the CAN-SPAM Act or CAN-SPAM law of email marketing. So this is a very important law because if you just miss anything and if any of your subscriber or of any of the receiver of your email just make a complaint against your email, and if it gets proved that you did it wrong, then you are going to be penalized for $41,484. So just to be careful about that. And it's really happening. There's a few cases for this issue. Okay, so here are the key points of the law. So don't use false or misleading header information. So your receiver or your subscriber should know the actual from the person who is sending the email to him or her. Okay, and then the two who is the person you were sending the email to, then reply to where they will be able to send an email to contact you. All right, and routing information including the originating domain name and email address must be accurate and identify the person or business who initiated the message. Okay, so the core thing here is the person who is going to receive your email should know about your information. Okay, all right, and let's move back to the second option. Don't use deceptive subject line. So this is basically whatever it is containing in your message body, you should include a hints on your subject line. Okay, just don't misuse the subject line by adding any clickbait related or clickbait type subject line. All right, so let's get back to the third part. Identify the message as an ad. So if you're sending a promotion or any advertisement of your product, then please include it on your message, or try to make it as clear as possible whenever you are sending the message into your subject line and on your body. Okay, and then tell recipients where you are located. So your address line should be clearly started. So if you don't have a physical address of your office or of your business, then you can include your Facebook, Instagram, or other page, or your website's contact us page for the person who, if he or she is interested to contact you, they should be able to contact you very easily. Okay, so this is what it means. All right, and then tell recipients how to opt out of receiving future email from you. All right, so whenever you are sending emails to thousands of people, maybe 999 people are highly interested in your subject, but if one person goes out of the interest, then they should have the option to opt out from the email list. Okay, they should have the option to unsubscribe from the email list. So you must include the unsubscribe button into your email body so that they will be able to do this very easily. And I'm actually going to show you in from my Gmail inbox of some of the promotional emails within few minutes. All right, so what actually it means. And then tell recipients how to opt out of receiving future email from you. All right, so we have got this part. Then honor opt-out request promptly. So if your email body doesn't have the automated unsubscription feature added, then if someone is asking you to get out from your list, then please be respectful to his or her request and just make them out of the list as soon as possible. That's the best way. Okay, and then monitor what others are doing on your behalf. The law makes clear that even if you hire another company to handle your email marketing, you can't contract away your legal responsibility to comply with the law. Both the company whose product is promoted in the message and the company that actually sends the message may be held legally responsible. So if sometimes for our business growth, or maybe we are busy in some other things, so most of the business CEOs or maybe business development managers hires people, freelancers, to do their email marketing. In this case, if the contractor, the freelancer who you are going to hire, makes anything wrong with your email marketing uh, campaigns, then and if someone just make a complaint against your email, then both of you, the freelancer and the owner of the company, are going to get the penalties. So please be careful about reading these parts again to get a better understanding. If I wasn't able to give you a good overview of these rules, and I'm actually going to add this link into the description field for your use, and you will get some other information to read from. All right, so now let me get back to my Gmail inbox to show you some of the examples of promotional emails, or the emails that I have received from email marketing. All right, so I'm going to my Gmail inbox, and here is the first email that I have received a few minutes ago. So I'm going to open this email, and here from John Gillian, the first name and last name, the person's name is clearly stated, as you can see, and then here is his email address. All right, so this is the business domain. Everything is clear to me, so there's nothing I could put against his email. All right, and then he just write do PBN's work in 2019 case study. So if I'm actually subscribed to his email list because I wanted to learn about blogging, which I'm actually learning. So as I am subscribed to him, he just sent me this email address, and he's actually sending thousands of other people's same email. He's sending to thousands of other people's, and actually these are, as you can see, hey everyone, here's the message body, and then he just inserted all the information. Here's the post link from where I can learn, and here are some other basic informations. All right, and then here again his name, and here, as you can see, unsubscribe button, the most important part. So here it is. Tell recipients how to opt out from receiving future email from you. So this is the work of unsubscribe button. And then we have got here tell recipients where you are located. So all of the information about your physical address, if it is available. So here, just take a look here. John Gullian, and then his address. He's from Canada. Okay, so this is one of the promotional email, okay, that I could share right now. And let's just get back to my inbox again and just take a look. The Hootsuite team, whoever in marketing field who doesn't know the Hootsuite. Okay, so I'm going to open this email and just take a look. This one was sent from 1 hour ago. So I know Hootsuite from its name, so I already am being able to recognize the email sender. All right. So here, the Hootsuite team, since you have been gone, so it's been a long, maybe few months. I'm not connected to any of the software, or I'm not reading their blogs. Maybe this is the reason why they sent me this email. And just take a look, the headers and other information. We're actually going to learn how to make a nice looking email template, or newsletter template. Okay, so here, claim your trial. So they're offering something. This is a promotional email, as you can see, claim your trial. And here they have got their Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to get connected. And if I need to contact them, then I'll be able to do this from here as well. And if you just notice, here is Hootsuite Inc. and then their address. All right, this one is also from Canada. This is another important part. How did any person actually get into your email list? So you should have something like this. The email was sent to my email address because you are a Hootsuite user or submitted an inquiry to Hootsuite. To update your email subscription, please visit our, so here, email preference center. If you just click on this link, then you will get some information on email subscriptions. So let's just click on this to take a quick look and learn something more. Okay, so here is my email address. Here you can see what are the selected features or selected options that I'm going to get emails about. So if I just don't want to get information or emails for this feature, then I could deselect this one and then, or uncheck this one and then update, click on update my preference. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. All right, so your preferences have been say updated. So this is a great example of following or complying with the rules. All right, so that's it actually about what is email marketing, and we knew about the Can Spam Act, and I'm actually going to add this link into the description field. Please don't forget to check out this link if you are about to learn email marketing or do email marketing. This is very important. All right, so I hope this video was helpful, because we just talked about the most important part of email marketing, which is complying or following the email marketing laws, which is Can Spam law. Okay, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video to with others, to let them know about this free email marketing course, so that they will be able to learn from me as well. And please subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber yet. All right, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.